So for all of you motorcycle riders out there, street, off-road, dual sport, that use a GoPro, you know that losing audio is terrible. It's second to losing just a complete video. And we've lost audio, and it's really a bummer when you get back and you plug in your GoPro and you're looking for sound, or maybe even that night, and you find out you didn't get your microphone jack put in just right. And if you're just starting with your GoPro, let me tell you, you're at gas stations and you're trying to keep up with the group. You got your microphone jack, you got your power jack, you got your keys, your wallet, and all this stuff, and you're trying to hurry to stay up with the group, and your power jack is right by your microphone jack. So you put that power jack in, and what happens? You accidentally pull out your mic jack or just dislodge it a little bit. And so it feels like it's in, it looks like it's in. Go and stay to the right here. All right. And you get back and you got no sound. Let me tell you, that just completely blows. So what we did is we created OnAir. And what that is a light that is located in your helmet that tells you if your microphone is working or not. Now, just for this one, I put it someplace where I think you'll be able to see it. Let me just see if I can show it to you here. All right, I think I'm in an area right up here in the top of my helmet. See, I'm gonna do one more time, right there. And that way you're gonna know if that red light is lit, that you are, let me make sure I'm right, yep. If that light is lit, you know that you're recording, you know that you're getting your video. It tells you two things. One, it was developed for audio, but it tells you if your GoPro's on, and for all the GoPro users out there, the experienced ones, you know that GoPro can get, not hooked up right to power too. And so it might turn off. So this is just a simple quick check. You can locate it anywhere in your helmet. For me, I usually locate it right near my chin mount down here, and I can see it, whenever I want. And it's out of the way. It doesn't bother you at all. You can't feel it in your helmet. There's no sound degradation. It just sounds like it sounds, just like a normal GoPro. So we hope that you enjoy this product, because it's going to save you those oh man moments where you just you didn't get that crash, you didn't get that conversation, you didn't get that river. There's just so many things that you want to be able to keep, and when you lose that audio, it just completely blows. So we hope that you enjoyed the WizzWare OnAir, and you're gonna love it. Right now, I'm loving this. WizzWare out. Okay, let me give you a close-up of how OnAir works. It is a setup that is fairly straightforward. It's going to tuck into your helmets, just kind of like your normal Cardo, and you can locate this light anywhere you want to. I have changed the position several times, but in my helmet right now I have it just kind of so it reflects off the visor just a little bit so I can see it. So, but anywhere you want to do it in there is fine, and that's why we give you kind of a long, flexible lead here. But let me just show you how this works. This here is kind of the brains of the operation, and it has been designed so that everything, the power in it has to basically double ground. So in the TRS jack here, it's not so that you can just get the top two. All three of these have to be seated properly in order for this light to light. So you can't just kind of get a partial light. It's a full light. Let me just show you how the GoPro is already on, and as you can see here. So you can't just get it in here and wiggle it around and kind of like get there with your gloves. It's got to be fully seated in there for this to light. And when that thing is red,
you are, your microphone is hooked up properly. And that's the basis of it. It does it the same for here as it does here. And just even a little bit out, in. All right, and there's no like partial out here or anything like that. It just, once it's seated, see it's kind of tight right there. Once it's seated, it's seated. And if that's red, it is the audio is recording. And that is going to save you hours of frustration and the feeling of a loss when you're out there recording. So that's the basis. And like I said, it's simple, and you can just tuck it up in your helmet, just like you do your cardo, just like you do your microphone. And it's a pretty small light, so it doesn't it's not annoying or anything like that. And it always lets you know, one, if it's recording, and two, if your camera is actually on, because we do know these are prone to turn off. And as you can see, when it sits here on your front, you don't know if it's on or off. A lot of times you have to look in your side view mirror to see if it's on, but this will let you know. So there you go.
We're really excited to bring you the WizzWare OnAir mic indicator light. We know it's going to save you those oh man moments when you find out you've lost your audio. Never lose your GoPro audio again with WizzWare OnAir. See you on the trail. WizzWare out.